Hey everybody, Gulf Coast EDC here. Got another quick video for you. Today we've got kind of a wallet, I guess you would call it maybe, or a card holder. So this one's coming from Three Sons Leather Company. So I've looked at a lot of these and I finally decided on Three Sons Leather for a few reasons. Some of them are going to be weird, but I just tell you my thought process. So first, let's take a look at packaging, right? So standards, some thought went in the envelope, and you've got a nice logo here that's been stamped onto it. It looks cool. I'll tell you that the logo, as weird as it may sound, is one of the reasons that I chose this company. So I've been looking for one of these wallets for a minute, and you know, a logo to me says a lot, right? It's going to convey your brand. It's going to, you know, kind of tell people what you're about. And also it's going to be on the product. A lot of times these companies are, you know, embossing these into the product themselves. And some of the logos just leave a lot to be desired, to be honest. And I don't know that I want to carry a wallet around that has a big goofy logo on it. So the logo's got to kind of look cool to me, or it's got to be something that I align with so that, you know, I don't mind having it stamped on my stuff. I think some companies don't really give that a lot of thought. So unfortunately, you know, I mean, fortunately or unfortunately, depending on where you are, you know, I'm not going to pay money for it. But this logo is nice and it's well done. And you'll see when we get to the product how that plays out. But let's open it. Probably enough of me talking. I'll make sure I don't cut it. Oh, well, I'm using the f5.5 today with the wave pattern. Man, this is gotta be one of my favorite knives, if not my favorite knife. I love this thing. Anyway, I'll cut this guy open. Okay. Oh, all right. Let's see. So, little drawstring bag, that's cool. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, it's got their logo on it too. Nice. So a few things. Obviously they're in Cleveland, Ohio, but I don't know. As I've stated before, I like to buy American when I can, and it doesn't get much more American than this company. So handmade by a firefighter. And when I was reading, I want to say that his wife is a nurse, maybe something like that. I mean, super American, right? They got their own leather shop, plus he's a firefighter. They have three sons, and that's why it's the Three Sons. So a small business maker. In America, it doesn't get better than that, right? So, all right. And obviously some attention for detail went into this. It's a cool little bag, right? All right. But that's not what we paid for. Yes, this is what we paid for. Nice. So you can choose them in different colors, right? There's dark, you know, leather, light leather, and it has more pockets or less pockets. There's a version that has another pocket down here, but you know, I don't carry cash personally. I only use cards, so you know, I don't need an extra cash pocket or anything like that. But I also pick the stitching, so I pick kind of the, I think it's Aztec gold stitching you can kind of see there. Now you can also see their logo right there embossed, and it's deeply embossed there. But it's small, right? It's just right here in the little corner. It's not all the way across it. There's not words that are taking up half the wallet, which I've seen with other brands. Kind of nice too, because I got my monogram for free. It's just, you know, hey, leave a note when you're checking out and I'll punch the monogram in there. How awesome is that? So you can really personalize it, right? And it didn't cost extra to get that. A lot of times, you know, you have to pay extra for something like that. So really good value. I mean, I think all in all, they're running kind of a 4th of July savings on it, but I think maybe $30, you know, with shipping and everything, which is crazy. This is awesome. Let's see, so what's in here? So a nice card, their logo on it. And I want to say his wife designed the logo and does kind of the logos and stuff. So as a shout out to them for a family-owned business. You guys can see their information. Also, I should say that, you know, this isn't sponsored in any way. They didn't pay me. I saw this and have been looking at it for quite a while, and then decided to, you know, pull the trigger on it. So, oh, nice. That's really cool, isn't it? Yeah, it's nice that this isn't embossed on this, right? Like some places will put their logo everywhere. It's just a nice little tasteful logo of, you know, 3 arrows, I'm sure, for the 3 suns, which is fantastic. And this is just a nice made piece. I'm really excited to, oh man, you can, the leather smell on this is fantastic. Sorry, we don't have smell-o-vision on YouTube yet, but yeah, it smells like a leather shop. It's fantastic. So not going to take up a bunch of your day, but just a shout out to them for this. I'm really looking forward to carrying this and having a more long-term review, I guess, for durability and ease of use, but definitely was looking for something. I usually use a money clip, right, for all my cards. I just have all my stuff in a money clip, just, you know, about 4 cards or so. But it'd be nice to see what it's like to have this instead of the money clip, and how I like it. But that's pretty much it. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. And if you like content like this, give it a like, or leave a comment so I know, and I can make more like this. So thanks, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.